Hi everyone. So this is my second video for chapter number 1, grade 9, right? I hope आपने पहला video देखा होगा and in that video we have discussed about the types of numbers. Means integers, natural numbers, whole numbers and then rational and irrational numbers. So आज के लेक्चर में मैं इस टॉपिक का अगला कंसेप्ट ले रही हूँ. कंसेप्ट है कि हाउ टू इंसर्ट सम रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन टू गिवन रैशनल नंबर्स. ठीक, तो पहले थोड़ा स्टेप समझ लेते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेप्स कैसे करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. हाउ वी हैव टू इंसर्ट सपोज 10 रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन -1/2 एंड 5/6. है ना, ये हमारे पास दो रैशनल नंबर्स हैं, -1/2 एंड 5/6, एंड इनके बीच में हमको 10 रैशनल नंबर्स इंसर्ट करना है, राइट? So step 1, we will go step wise. First we will find out the LCM of denominators. What are the denominators here? 2 and 6. What is the LCM? LCM, you know how to find out LCM? You can do directly if you are comfortable, otherwise you can do by long division method, right? So what is the LCM here? 2 into 3, that is 6. Step 1. So step 1, we have to find out LCM of denominators if they are not equal, right? Then step 2, we will make both the denominators, मतलब denominators किसके? Rational numbers के. So we will have to make denominators of both the rational numbers equal to the LCM. Step 2 means first rational number is -1/2. And I want to make the denominator equal to 6, which is our LCM. So what should I do? As you have done in the case of fractions also, and in grade 7 in the case of rational numbers also, you will have to multiply this by 3. So this is -3/6. The other one is 5/6. So here denominator is already 6, right? So 1, 1. So it will be 5/6, correct? Now we check the numerators. Numerators, किसके numerators check करोगे बच्चे? You will have to check these two numerators, -3 and 5, है ना? From -3 to 5, how many numbers I have? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Count these numbers. How many are they? 1 between है, तो we will start from -2, है ना? -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, है ना? So in between I have only 7 rational numbers. So if you have to insert 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it's okay. You can write it like this. This is -3/6 and this is 5/6. So you can write -2/6, -1/6, 0, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, right? But if you have to insert 10 numbers, then what will you do? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's okay. Now what to do? See, I have numbers -3/6 after converting, and this is 5/6, right? I am not having 10 integers between -3 and 5. So what will I do? एक छोटा सा ट्रिक ले लेते हैं. यहाँ पे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो ऊपर नीचे. So this will become -30/60 and this will become 50/60. Now check the numerators. From -30, check the numerator, to 50. You are having so many rational numbers. मतलब बहुत सारे integers हैं इसके बीच में तो. So you can pick any 10 integers from -30 to 50 and write it in the form of rational number. How? -30. So minus 29 upon 60, minus 28 upon 60, and up to so on. Here you can write 48 upon 60, 49 upon 60. So any 10 numbers you can write. So examiner may ask you 10 numbers, 15 numbers, so don't bother about it. You can multiply the numerator and denominator both by the same number 10, and then you can find out. So I hope this concept is clear. How to insert given number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. This was our concept. So let's do some more question. एक दो क्वेश्चंस और कर लेते हैं. Find three rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 3 by 8. Fine. Since denominators are not same, so my first step is to take the LCM and make the denominator same. So find out LCM of 6 and 8. If you have understood, you can pause the video, you can solve it on your own and then check your answer. So what is the LCM? Step 1. LCM of 6, 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. What is our LCM? 24. Now I will make both the denominators. I have two rational numbers. I will make both the denominators equal to 24. 6 4s are 24. The same number I will write here. So this will be minus 20. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9. So now I have numbers minus 20 upon 24 and 9 upon 24. So from minus 20 upon 24 to 9 upon 24, I can insert any three rational numbers. Minus 19 upon 24, and here 7 upon 24, 8 upon 24. You can pick any number. Hai na? So this is how we can insert 3, 4, 5, whatever is required. Let's take one more question. 3 by 5 and 8 by 9. Again, take the LCM. Step 1, take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 9. को प्राइम है तो 5 1 जा 5 9. आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो, बहुत छोटा सा नंबर है ये. 45 is the LCM. Now I will make both the denominators equal to 45. So from 27 to 40, if you see, you can find out 10 integers easily. 27 upon 45 to 40 upon 45. Correct? 27, 28 upon 45, 29 upon 45, 30 upon 45, and up to so on. You can find out till 40, means 39 upon 45, 38 upon 45. So it depends how many rational numbers you have to find out between two given numbers, right? So I hope this concept is clear to you. You can try some of the questions from NCERT book, or if you are having some other reference book. So thank you so much. मिलती हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट के साथ. Thank you.